Navigating high-return investments, from stocks to ETFs. Are you looking to grow your investment portfolio? It's crucial to understand the variety of options available to you. Stocks in booming sectors such as technology or healthcare can significantly boost your returns. Yet, it's important to remember the risks. Bonds, on the other hand, offer a more stable investment route. High-yield or well-rated corporate bonds can be a safer bet. Mutual funds and ETFs present another interesting avenue. They allow for diversified investments, spreading out potential risks. Your investment strategy should align with your risk tolerance. High returns often come hand in hand with higher risk. Also, consider your investment horizon. Some securities perform better over the long term, while others are suited for short-term gains. Understanding market conditions is key. They can greatly influence the performance of your chosen securities. Stay informed to make wise choices.